there, I'm immigration attorney Gail Seeram, and I want to talk to you a little bit about asylum. A lot of you may ask, why do so many people try to enter the United States illegally? Why are so many people trying to enter through our borders? Why are they breaking the laws? Why are they not entering the United States properly? Well, let's think back to the early Americans. When the early Americans first came to the United States, they came by boat and they just had to make it to Ellis Island and they were admitted into the United States. The founding principles of the United States were people were fleeing to the United States because they were fleeing persecution because of their race, religion, because of different poverty situations. So the early Americans and early Italians, early Irish, the early Americans that came to the United States all came to the United States because they were seeking a better life and they were fleeing for a better life. That's the same reason why many people are trying to enter the United States through the borders, because now there are so many rules and regulations on how to enter the United States. Sometimes people cannot wait 8, 10, and 14 years for their family members to petition for them to come to the United States. Now, what is asylum? Asylum is provided for under the Immigration Nationality Act. Anyone who makes it to a port of entry, whether that's a land port or an airport, anyone who makes it by land to the United States can claim asylum, can say that they fear returning to their country. Once they state that they fear returning to their country, they're entitled to have an interview with an asylum officer. Once they have the interview with the asylum officer and they provide all of their evidence of why they fear returning back to their country, either because of their race, their social group, their political organization, all the different grounds where you can ask for asylum are provided in the laws. But if they successfully present their claim, then they're allowed to stay in the United States and they get a permanent green card. If after the asylum interview, the officer does not give them asylum, then their case is transferred to the immigration court and an immigration judge will also review their case to see if they meet the laws to qualify for asylum. So there is a process in our laws where people who enter this country can stay in the United States like the early Americans if they're able to show that they will be persecuted or even killed if they return to their country. If you have any questions about asylum, give us a call at the Immigration Law Offices of Gail Seeram. Text or call us at 407-292-7730. Ask about our free in-office or phone consultation. We can help you.